Today I welcome Doug Morin from the Coachella Valley Volunteers in Medicine. He's the executive director there. And you've got a big event coming up on November the 11th. It's the Vimy Awards and Wine Lovers Auction. And this event has really grown. It's kind of evolved. It was more of a wine auction. Now it's a great wine dinner and an auction of a lot of different really fun kind of experiences for people.
It really is a fun evening, and I think that's what we always hear after the event every year, is that it's a fun event to attend. So it's not a gala in the sense that there's dancing and that kind of stuff. It's just a fun event. You, of course, as our MC, help to make it very fun and keep it light and happy and moving forward at a good pace. So people leave there and they're like, wow, that was really neat. I got a chance to bid on this, or I got to buy some great wine. I got to support this wonderful organization, the only one of its kind, and so they're leaving with a smile on their face.
And let's talk about what Coachella Valley Volunteers in Medicine is and does, because you guys really are a one-of-a-kind operation here in the Valley.
We are. So we are the only totally free primary care clinic in Coachella Valley. So for individuals who are lower income and don't have insurance, either because their employer doesn't provide it or they can't afford to pay for it privately, we can give them that ongoing regular care. So if they have a chronic disease such as diabetes or hypertension, they're going to be able to get that care that they need. If they've need a flu shot or they're just not feeling well, they can come in and get whatever it is they need. All the labs are free of charge. Any imaging services like x-rays, MRIs, all of that stuff, anything that's necessary to diagnose and treat their problems, we pay for them as long as they qualify for our services.
Yeah, free to the client, but not free to your organization.
Not free to the organization.
Your doctors are volunteers.
They are volunteers, as well as our nurses, medical assistants, etc.
But all of those other services, the diagnostic services, the imaging, all of that cost, and that's what we're raising money for coming up on the 11th.
Yeah. And that's really where the money goes. I mean, we're not part of a big, national chain or anything like that. Whatever people are giving and donating, whether they're attending this event, another event, or just making a donation online, it stays right here in the Valley.
You've recently expanded. You have opened a new office, correct?
Correct, yeah. We did some research and we found that through various sources that there were about 14,000 people, adults, living in the cities of Cathedral City, Palm Springs, and Desert Hot Springs that did not have health insurance. And so we're like, wait a minute, if our whole idea is to provide access or ease into getting into the system for these people, it's a long drive from our office in Indio, Coachella, to get all the way, if you live in Palm Springs or Desert Hot Springs, especially if you're taking a bus. So that's why our board made that decision that we wanted to, provide services closer to where people lived.
All right, you can support Coachella Valley Volunteers in Medicine by joining us Friday, November the 11th. It's going to be a fantastic wine and hors d'oeuvre reception, followed by a delicious wine dinner with wine pairings. And there's a live auction, great silent auction items as well, and an after party that's a lot of fun. So come join us, wineloversauction.com. You can go there, get your tickets. Again, it's Friday, November the 11th at Thunderbird Country Club. A fantastic evening, and it all raises dollars for this very important Volunteers in Medicine doing great work here in the Coachella Valley. Doug, thank you so much for coming on the program.
Thank you, Patrick. Appreciate it.
We'll see you on the 11th.